It starts with rust. It ends with fire. In the heart of the American mini mill,
Feed rate is spiking. Watch the amp draw.
Got it. Backing it off 5%.
the resurrection of steel begins here in the melt shop. We carefully layer the scrap bucket. Light shred goes on the burns.
It's a precise recipe. We add specific amounts of lime and carbon to the charge, calculating the exact slag.
Crane 4, you are clear to dump. Copy. Copy.
Dropping the charge now. Clear the deck.
We tilt the furnace back to dump the slag. This waste material, the impurities stripped from the scrap, won't be beyond.
Nothing stops.
Argon flow is steady at 15 CFM. How's the stir?
Looks good. The eye is open. Slag is floating nicely.
Once the chemistry is perfect, the ladle moves to the turret. This rotating arm allows for sequence casting, swapping.
A hydraulic gate opens, and the steel flows into the tundish. We use a ceramic shroud to protect the stream.
Oscillation rate looks steady at 150.
Yeah, copy that. Lube feed is good. Keep an eye on strand 2.
The walking beam cooling bed ensures the billets cool evenly in the air. Uneven cooling could cause warping.
Stacked and staged, these solid steel cylinders are now ready for the final transformation. They are no longer scrap. Descaler pressure is nominal at 2,000.
Copy that. Nozzles look clear, surface is clean.
The pipe enters the stretch-reducing mill, where a tight cluster of 3 roll stands spins rapidly.
Every single pipe is subjected to hydrostatic pressure testing, pushed to limits far exceeding what it will face in the field. For the most demanding environments, the steel undergoes quenching and tempering. This final heat treatment alters the crystal structure.
Stencil looks crisp. Heat number is matching the Traveler.
Confirmed. Heat 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Send it.
Automated bundling systems ensure the product is secure for transport. Each hex bundle is a self-contained unit, ready to be shipped anywhere in the world. From a rusted chassis in a scrap heap to a high-performance energy conduit, this is the cycle of American steel manufacturing.